Hey guys, what's up? It's your homeboy Killer Kiwi here. Today we're shooting pellet guns. This is my
What's up?
partner in crime here. We'd just like to say, stay safe and caution. We are not professionals. Do not do this shit at home. Even though the law considers these as toys, these two pellet rifles we shooting are considered highly dangerous. A normal pump pellet gun wouldn't be able to break this. That's a thick ass glass. Now you see, our pellet guns, we ain't shooting that big of a pellet. We're shooting like the normal ones you put in a pump.
Yeah.
Now we're shooting those. But however, I had just literally shot this whole entire video, or I thought I did. But it turns out I really didn't, so
We had to do a retake.
bear with me here. I'll do a reload, so.
Yo, hand it to me. Why there's two people who took shit?
Make a shout out to my homie here.
And we're aiming for the TV.
TV is my target, and the contact is Charlie. Safety's off.
Clear to fire. Ooh, nice. Took a good chunk with it.
Now, see, guys. Walk with me. Walk with me here. Now, I was aiming right here. This area here. Marked out a good amount you can see here. But the whole point of this video is not one of them reviews or whatever you call it. This is one of those, hey, I haven't uploaded in like over 6 months type video.
Shout out to the homies.
I kind of wish.
And straight up, just two childhood friends having fun.
I kind of wish Slendy was still here with us recording, but sadly he's moved and I haven't heard from him in a while. Shout out to his channel. Keep it real. And signing out.